Hello everyone. So in this video I will walk you through some of the security best practices when it comes to Dockerfile and the Kubernetes deployment or the pod YAML manifest file. So what I have got is I have two files, Dockerfile and deployment.yaml Kubernetes deployment file, and I will walk you through how to fix some of the security vulnerabilities in these files. So let's get started. So first I will open the Docker file. So as I see this file, so some of the issues that I see is like the image, it should never be latest. So I will change that and I will change it to some specific tag. Second is this user root, and this root user is performing some operation. So we can actually ignore this, but this second user root, so this is the user that the container will run as, and we don't want that. So we will change this root user to something else. And if we see the line above, we are creating a user, so most likely we should use that user to run the container with. So I'll change this. Also, we see there is a password hard coded in this Docker file, so it's definitely a big security threat. So I should delete this file. So I have removed this particular environment variable, and those are the security vulnerabilities I see in this particular Docker file. So I see this all looks good at the moment, and I can go ahead and save this file. And the other file that I have got is the deployment file, and I will open that and fix all the security issues. So as I scroll through this particular file, I will look for example, I have given the comments as well. So first thing is the tag, image tag should never be latest, as I mentioned. So I should change it to a tag. Second, these are the containers security context. So the containers run with all these privileges. So first is like privilege being true. So this should never be the case. So I should make it to false. So I'll change this, and I can add that false. Second is run as user. So run as user must not be because 0 is root user, so I should change that to something else. So I'll make it something else, like I'll make that to 6550. So I have made that run as user from 0 to something else. Next is allow privilege escalation. So this is set as true, and it should never be true. It should be false. So by default it's false, but you can change that to some other than true. So it can be changed to false. So I'll make that change false. And so you can ignore that one is the comment. So you can refer that comments later on. And read only root file system. So this value must be true. So as the name is implying, read only root file system. So if it's false, that means it's write only, means it's not read only now. So it must be true. That means it should always be read only. So this value must be changed to true. So I can change this value and I can make it true. Okay. And that's all. So I have made 4 changes, right? 5 changes. Image from latest to a tag, privileged false, run as user other than 0, allow privilege escalation false, and read only root file system being true. So these are the 5 changes that I made in my YAML deployment YAML file. So I can save this particular file, and the files are changed. So all the resources will be available in the slides. So thanks for watching. Bye.